Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to tell you the new pattern 2020 board examination, most expected lessons according to model papers weightage. Actually, the board has been already published model paper 1 and model paper 2. According to the weightage of model paper 1 and model paper 2, some of the very important lesson we can easily figure out in 3 marks questions and 4 marks questions. Okay, let's start. Which are those lessons? I would like to tell you 3 mark questions and 4 marks questions lessons. First of all, you know that there are 9 questions of 3 marks, and there are 4 questions of 4 marks. So first of all, let's start. Which are those 3 marks questions lessons? First of all, I would like to tell you that impact of British administration in India from history and opposition to British rule in Karnataka. So these are the very important lessons we have to remember. Impact of British administration and opposition to British rule in Karnataka. So in impact of British administration, you have to remember all the things like education system of British rule and impact of impact of British education system in India, and land revenue, impact of land revenue, and some of the acts like regulating act recommendations, and one more thing, Montagu Chelmsford reforms and Minto Marley reforms, 1935 Government of India Act. All these things you have to concentrate on. Impact of British administration in India and opposition to British rule in Karnataka. This is a choice question from history part. Opposition to British rule in Karnataka. So in this lesson, you have to read some very important persons like Rani Channamma and Sangoli Rayana, Venkatappa, Veerappa of Koppala, and Halagali Bedas. Many more things you have to read in this lesson, as well as one more important lesson, religious reformation. So this is a very huge lesson, religious reformations. You have to read for 3 marks. Religious reformation, Brahma Samaj and Sattashodhaka Samaj and Annie Besant Theosophical Society, Aligarh movement, and Narayan Guru, Dharma Paripalana Yogam, Periyar. All these things you have to remember, because since this lesson is very big one, and we can't tell this is very important, this is not important. The whole lesson is very important. Religious reformation, all aspects of religious reformation we have to read. And the third important question is, that is first war of India's independence. First war of India's independence, you have to read thoroughly this lesson, because 1857 revolt, this is a very important lesson, and very small lesson, as you know that the causes of the war, results of the war, and why the 1857 revolt failed, and what are the main impact of this first world war in India. All these things you have to read. And fourth one, problems of India and solutions. I have written here plus, which indicates in first model paper, problems of India and solutions they have chosen, and in second model paper they have taken foreign policy of India. So that these two lessons you have to read more and more. Problems of India and solutions, unemployment, regionalism, terrorism, status of women, all these things you have to focus on. In foreign policy, the foreign policy of India, in this particular lesson, aims and objectives of foreign policy, India's foreign policy, the aspects of India's foreign policy, and Panchashila principles. These very important aspects you have to read. And in fifth question, that is social stratification plus labor. These two you have to read thoroughly, because in first model paper social stratification is there. In second model paper they have taken labor. These two lessons you have to prepare for: social stratification and labor. Sixth question is Indian transport and communication, from geography part. Indian transport and communication. And there is alternative question, industries, transport and communication and industries. So importance of transport, and what is the importance of communication in industry, the importance of industry and industrial zones of India, what are the factors influence on location of industry. All that things you have to focus on from transport and communication and industries. And seventh one is natural disaster from geography. This is also very important lesson for 3 marks. All types of disasters you have to prepare for: earthquake, frequently asked, and coastal erosion and earthquake. These two very repeatedly asked, so you have to get prepared for natural disaster. And eighth question is rural development from economics. And one more alternative question is money and credit. These two very important lessons. And plus one more lesson is there, that is public finance and budget. So plus, that indicates second model paper. In second model paper that particular lesson has been taken, so that I have given here plus one more lesson added there. So rural development and money and credit, public finance and budget. These 3 lessons you have to prepare for economic part. Bank transaction, one more. Bank transaction, this is also very big lesson, and you can't be very choosy in this particular lesson, because functions and characteristics of bank, postal bank of India, what are the advantages opening bank account, and types of bank account, and differentiation, all that things you have to study for bank transaction. And entrepreneurship, alternative question. In model paper 2 globalization, they have asked entrepreneurship, characteristics of entrepreneurship, functions of entrepreneurship. Very important thing is what is the differentiation between entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Such questions can be asked. And globalization, characteristics of globalization, meaning of globalization, and disadvantages of globalization. All these aspects can be asked for 3 marks. Let's move to the 4 marks questions. In 4 marks questions there are 4 questions. One is from geography, one is from political science, one is from history, alternative question is also from history, and fourth question will be also from history. So according to the model paper 1 and model paper 2, they have given such a way. First question is Indian land resources, from geography. Indian land resources. This lesson is very important. Types of agriculture practices are there, and importance of agriculture is there, and types of crops are there. All those things you have to prepare for. And international second question, international institutions, from political science, UNO. Very big lesson, you can't be very choosy, but very selective questions can be asked in this session, in this part. international institutions, that is particularly uh, the organs of UNO, particularly General Assembly and Security Council, and achievements of what UNO. Such questions can be asked. Third question is freedom movement from history. In freedom movement, you have to thoroughly read all the things moderates and extremists, what we call radicals, and revolutionaries, particularly. And one more alternative question can be asked, that is political developments of 20th century. Very big lesson, but you can get many more marks out of this lesson. First World War, reasons and results. Second World War, reasons and results. Like Cold War results. All these things can be asked. Political developments of 20th century, and Chinese revolution. Fourth question is Gandhi era and national movement. Very important lesson for 4 marks. Gandhi era and national movement, there are many aspects can be asked for 4 marks. That is non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement and Chowri Chowra incident. Chowri Chowra incident. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Jawaharlal Nehru as a Prime Minister of India. And what can be asked? Farmers and farmers revolt, farmers and workers revolt, tribals revolt, Subhash Chandra Bose. All these aspects you have to get prepared. About 8 to 9 questions can be asked from Gandhi era and national movement. You have to thoroughly read this lesson particularly. So in this session I have shared some of the very important expected lessons according to the model papers. There is some changes maybe in annual examination, but maximum lessons covered out of these lessons what I shared you. So thoroughly read all these basic lessons for 3 marks and 4 marks. All the best. Thank you.